Hello everyone, today we are learning a question that is, what's the weather? What's the weather in Italian is going to be che tempo fa, where the first word sounds like a letter K. Let's say it again, che tempo fa. Some answers, it is sunny, è soleggiato, G-I-A, sounding like già, è soleggiato. It is rainy, è piovoso. And it is cloudy, è nuvoloso. Some other ways to answer this is it is good weather. È bel tempo. Bel is referring to bella, so it's also saying it is beautiful temperature or beautiful weather. The opposite would be è brutto tempo, meaning it is bad weather. For those of you who know what brutto means in Italian, brutto actually means ugly. So it is saying it's bad weather, but it's also saying it is ugly weather. You could also say, what is the temperature? So how does it feel? Does it feel freddo? Is it cold? Or is it caldo? Hot? So those are a few ways you can answer this question. If you wanted to say more than one, just remember to put the and in between, which is or before your last describing word. So for example, I could say, è soleggiato, è caldo. It is sunny and hot. All right, if you have any questions, message me right below how you would answer this question. All right, talk soon. Bye.